stay down, I stick to the plan. These sex, I go fuck them up. Declining my bank, now he's banned.
Yo, what's up guys, Benevolent. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like Sk8star in the song Tycoon off of his EP called Pale Fever. Now I know this dropped a while ago, I think it dropped in July, but I've had a lot of people asking for a Sk8star preset, so I just decided it's time to do one. So I made this cover to Tycoon, and today I'm gonna show you guys these free presets I made for you. So without further ado, if you guys haven't heard this song, this is Tycoon by Sk8star.
These tricks, I go back em up. The corner in my man waistband. That little boy done run out of luck. All out there can't do no more playing. And that trip on my hip got it took. And my shooter gon' shoot back and stand. And my shooter maneuver them bands. The little Ruger gon' take down your man. No, it's shooter, we ride like a clan. Shoot bazooka, we shot in the van. I'm gon' boot up, got drink in my hand. There's a booster, don't play in the sand. And she rollin' on Miley, she geek. She a freaky Sunday with no hands.
And now, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets and show you guys what my raw vocals sound like, trying to sound like Sk8star.
No, I never hate on no man. I stay down, I stick to the plan. Paying sex, I go fuck him up. Declining my bank, now he's banned. That little boy done ran out of luck. I'm like, he can't do no more plan.
Okay, yeah, as you can see, it is not good, so let's go ahead and turn on all these presets, and I'm gonna show you guys what these presets sound like. So this is my Sk8star preset.
No, I never hate on no man. I stay down, I stick to the plan. These sex, I go fuck him up. Declining my bank, now he's banned. That little boy done ran out of luck. I'm like, he can't do no more plans. And that trip on my hip got it took. And my shooter gon' shoot Pakistan. And my shooter maneuver in bands. And that Ruger gon' take down your man. No, it's shooter, we ride like a clan. Shoot bazooka, we slide in the van. I'm gon' boot up, got drink in my hand. Like some boots, so don't play in the sand. And she rollin' out Miley, she cute. She a face, she sucked it with no hands.
So yeah, those were my Sk8star presets. All of these presets will be completely free in the Discord. The only preset here that isn't free is my master preset, which for this video I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather get this entire FLP with everything you see on your screen here, as well as a template ready to record in with all these presets set up, and my Best Waves master preset, as well as my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will only be $15 on my website, and everything on my entire website is currently 25% off for the holidays until January 1st. So go check out my website BNVLNT.shop and get you some presets. But if you guys just want the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and then all the Sk8star presets will be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets in this channel, so go get you some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is the auto-tune settings for the song, just in case you guys have different auto-tunes than me. So this song was in the key of D minor, and for the main I used a retune speed of 2, humanize of 10, and natural vibrato of -2.3. And then for the auto-tune on the ad-lib, I did a retune speed of 3 and a humanize of 47. And then for the scream ad-lib, I did a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 0. And then for the scream ad-lib with no delay, I also did a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 0. And yeah, one more thing I'll show you guys, just in case you've never seen any of my videos and you don't know how to use presets. Once you drag in these presets, all you have to do to use the presets is click right here on the preset you want to use, pick your input in the preset you want to use, and then you should be able to hear yourself with the preset on, and then you could just press this record button and start recording and make some music. It's that simple. It's really easy. If you do have any problems, feel free to ask me in my Discord. Obviously I can't get to everybody because there is like 30,000 people in the Discord now, but I try to help as many people as I can in there. So if you have any questions, just ask in there, and I'm sure someone else will answer your questions too. So if you need anything, just ask in the Discord. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. If it did help you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.